Vocabulary quiz set 6.8. Some helpful hints. Skip around and do the easy ones first. Cross off answers as you go. Listen to it being read out loud. And then you can always start with the back page if you need to. Part 1 is matching. In the top half, part 1, we have adorn, warrant, agile, scamper, babble, assemble. A written order that allows for legal action. B, capable of moving easily, quickly, and gracefully. C, to talk foolishly or too much, or meaningless sounds. D, to meet or bring together, to put parts together. E, to add to the appearance to look nice, or to dress up. F, to run or move quickly or playfully. Matching part 2, we have fatal, genuine, colossal, merit, rampage, and drab. G, amazingly large, great, or powerful in size or degree. H, to rush around wildly or violent wild behavior. I, causing death, destruction, or ruin. J, real, true, reliable, or honest. K, dull, like the color gray, or cheerless. L, deserving something, or reward or praise. On the back, part 2, we have fill in the blank. In our word bank, we have genuine, warrant, fatal, rampaged, scampered, colossal, agile, assemble, babble, drab, merit, and adorn. Number 1, the accident caused a blank injury and the man died. 2, beautiful wreaths blank each door in the neighborhood. 3, it helps to be strong and blank to be a gymnast. 4, his books blank being published because of how good they are. 5, the police got a blank to search the suspect's home. 6, my dad and I will blank my new bed from IKEA. 7, my dog blank around the backyard after the squirrel. 8, the new stadium is blank and can hold thousands of people. 9, you can hear the blank of the creek from my house. 10, the ring contained 3 blank diamonds. It sparkled a lot. 11, I watched 2 movies on the blank and rainy day. And 12, the bulls blank through the streets in Spain and caused a lot of destruction.